Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt and I'm coming to you today with an idea for a game to teach vocab. So with Te Reo Māori vocab, there's lots of different things you can do, but my recommendation is just to start with in things in categories. So this example is the category of animals, but you could make it even smaller: farm animals, zoo animals. If you're doing a category like fruit or body parts, etc., you just keep them separate because then it's much easier to learn that way. So whether you're teaching children Māori language words or whether you're teaching it to yourself, I'll give you a couple of ideas here. So I've just made these little animal cards using the pictures in our picture dictionary. So there's lots of little pictures there. So if you have the picture dictionary, then you'll see what I mean by that. And if you don't have it, you can have a look at that online at reosingalong.co.nz. And so what happens with this idea is I've just made little cards out of those pictures. And this way, for small children who can't read, they can still see the picture of the animal and know what it is. So I would choose perhaps 3 of them, maybe the fish, ika, and the dog, kuri, and the cat, ngeru, and I would just start with those 3. So I would, there's a couple of options. One is you could play a charades game with another person and see if they can guess what animal you're doing, and then they have to reply about the animal with the te reo word. So if I was there acting out ngeru for cat, then the answer would have to be called out ngeru, not cat. So that way we're looking at somebody acting like a cat and the word that comes into our mind is ngeru. Perhaps you could use these cards, another set of them, as a base, so at least we know what kind of animal we're choosing from. And then the other thing you can do is make this into a memory game. So do one set like this and one set with no words on them, and try and turn over matching ones. But I'm sure you'll think of some ideas as well. But this idea is to start off with categories, then just within that category just start off with 2 or 3 or 4 of them, and then expand that out when you know that word. So that if you're really good on the words ika, kuri and ngeru, then you could add another one so that you're reinforcing your learning and then adding another one. Hope that helps. Ka kite.